Hey, this is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com, and today I'm going to tell you how I keep my farmhouse sink looking sparkly and shiny. The first thing that I do is I make sure that I don't leave food sitting in the bottom of it so that it has a chance to stain. So after every time we're using the sink to rinse dishes or wash dishes, I make sure that all that food gets out of there and the sink gets wiped out. Prevention, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, they say, right? So that's the first thing that I do. The second thing is almost every day, usually in the morning, because that's when I have the most time, I will give my sink a nice scrub down with a little bit of dish soap and some baking soda, and I will make a little paste and I'll scrub it all around in the inside. As long as I let it sit for 20 or 30 minutes before I rinse it off. It just kind of depends what I'm doing that day. And that whitens it up, and it's baking soda is a very mild, non-abrasive cleaner. You do not want to be using like a toilet bowl cleaner in here, even though it's tempting. I might have done that once or twice. Don't do that because you are etching your sink and it's too hard on the finish and you're going to have problems down the road. So baking soda is nice and mild and it'll keep your sink white. Now there are those times when you'll get marks. They look gray, they're like gray lines, and they come usually from when you are washing a metal pot or pan in the sink and it's like a scuff mark. And for those, I like to use this cleaner from Kohler. It's called Kohler Cast Iron Kitchen Sink Cleaner. And it works great. You just squirt a little onto a cloth, with a little damp cloth, and then you rub your scuff mark really hard and it just kind of buffs it out. And then you have your sink looking as good as new. So those are my 3 tips for keeping your sink clean. Just make sure that you're not letting food or dirty water sit in there because that's going to stain it for sure. Just get that out of there as soon as possible when you're done using it. Scrub it daily with a little baking soda, and then if you really have a bad gray mark or scuff mark, bust out your Kohler cast iron sink cleaner and that mark will be gone in no time. Thanks for watching my video about how to keep your cast iron farmhouse sink looking bright and shiny and white. I hope this was helpful to you. If you're on the fence about getting a farmhouse sink with white porcelain because you're worried about the maintenance and upkeep, let me assure you it's really not that bad. It's really pretty easy to keep clean. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you love talking French, English, or Swedish country style and old houses, follow along with me. I produce new content on those topics every week, and I would love to have you join. Like, subscribe, and ding that bell. Thank you so much. This is Kathleen from oldworldfarmhouse.com. Bye-bye.